We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with the Brother HL2140. So first thing first, you're going to want to pull your tray out, your paper tray. Might be a little tricky. So right here you're going to see these little tabs. These are your max level indicators. You never want to fill over that indicator because then it could cause the paper to be too tight and the rollers will not pick it up. So you have that, make sure it's not filled. Then also you have guides where you can change it from letter to legal. You want to make sure those are in place correctly. Once again, if the paper's too tight or too loose, the rollers either will pick up too much paper or it will not be able to feed through, so it'll cause a jam. So when you have, you need to add paper to your printer. You want to take your old paper, mix it with your new paper, and what you want to do, you want to line that paper together and then go ahead and fan it out. You want to fan it out because sometimes the condensation in the air can cause the paper to stick together, which would cause the rollers to pick up more than one piece at a time, causing a jam. So you fan it out, align it back up, and then you can put it in your printer. Once you do that, you should be good to go. If you need supplies or quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.